Today, Mia is going to learn that good manners can change everything, while bad manners can ruin even a happy day. Good morning, Mia. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning, Mom. Thank you.
Would you like some orange juice?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Don't forget your napkin.
Thank you for reminding me.
You always say please and thank you. I'm proud of you.
Because good manners make people happy.
Exactly.
Can I borrow your football? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Move! That's my seat! You can sit beside me. I don't want to!
Jack saying please and speaking politely is important.
I don't care. You can sit next to me if you want. Really? Thank you. Mia, would you like to share my cookies? Yes, please. Thank you.
Jack, you could have asked first.
Why? Because asking politely shows respect.
Oh, I see. It's important, Jack.
She's right.
Oops.
Let's clean it together. You're helping me? Of course. Thank you, and I'm sorry. That's much better. May I help you?
That would be wonderful.
I'll pick up the apples.
Thank you, children. You are very kind.
You're welcome. See? Good manners feel nice. They really do.
How was school today?
Jack learned about good manners.
What happened? Thank you for helping Jack today. He came home saying please and thank you all evening.
Good manners cost nothing but give great rewards.
From now on, I will always be polite, and kindness makes the world brighter. Remember, saying please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me may seem like small words, but they create big smiles and lasting friendships.